Step up your IT security game with Security 601 exam. Welcome to our channel, Learn with Rookie. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. Before you hit the books, listen up. Here are some tips to help. Tip number 1. First thing first, make sure you're familiar with the exam objectives and terms of the exam. Don't just rely on books. Get some hands-on experience to really solidify your knowledge. Tip number 2. Utilize practice tests. Taking practice tests is a great way to get comfortable with the exam format and content. It can also help you to identify any areas that you need to focus on and review more. Tip number 3. Create flashcards. Creating flashcards with the key terms and concepts from the exam objectives will help you to remember them better. Use them to quiz yourself and review the material. Tip number 4. Utilize online resources. There are many online resources available to help you to prepare for the exam. Look for forums, tutorials, and practice questions to help you study. Tip number 5. Last but not the least, don't forget to take care of yourself during the exam preparation process. Exam day can be very stressful. Get plenty of rest, eat well, and take breaks to stay focused and energized. Trust us, you have got this.